If you are about to start YouTube automation in 2026, then this video is for you. Look at this channel. It has gained 13,000 subscribers by uploading only 11 videos. It just started posting a few days ago, and its first videos have hit 1.3 million 3 to 7 Su 7 and even 1 million views in just a couple of days. This is a viral trend spreading rapidly in the market, and currently only this one person is making such videos on YouTube. If you learn how to make these videos quickly and start uploading, you can easily grow and monetize your channel within a few days. Before we dive in, I have an announcement. In 2026, I am launching a YouTube Automation Master Program. This will be a 50-hour recorded course, and it will be completely free, likes of which have never been seen in YouTube history. So make sure to subscribe so you can access it as soon as it drops. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. 1. Get the prompts. Click the link in my video description, which will take you to a document where I have prepared prompts for you. 2. Generate ideas. Copy the first idea prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate amazing niche ideas for you. 3. Write the script. Once you have your ideas, go back to the document and copy the script writing prompt. From the titles, ChatGPT gives you pick one you like. For example, I'll choose this one and paste it into the Insert Your Title Here section. ChatGPT will then write a full, engaging script for you. Note, if you need a longer script for a 20-minute video, I will mention another tool at the end of the video, as ChatGPT sometimes writes shorter scripts. 4. Generate video prompts. Copy the video generation prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT, along with the script it just wrote. You can specify the video length and how many imagescents you want. For instance, I'll ask for 20. 5. Create the visuals. Copy each scene prompt generated by ChatGPT and go to Google Flow. Vivo 3. Select the text-to-video option, paste your prompt, and hit Enter to generate your clips. Do this for all your prompts and download the results. 6. Edit in CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your clips. Bring them onto the timeline one by one and adjust their sizes. Click the ratio button and select 16:9. 7. Final touches. Click the transition button and add good transitions between your clips. This adds human input to the editing, which is crucial for making the video look professional and ensuring you don't face issues with monetization later. That's it. Your video is ready. If you follow this complete process, you can get millions of views and earn a significant income. However, remember that consistent hard work is the requirement for success. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming course to start your YouTube automation journey. See you in the next video.